in 3.7, you have to determine is something linear, quadratic, or exponential. What does it mean to be linear? The graph is in a straight line. What does it mean to be quadratic? It has the U shape. What does it mean to be exponential? Right. So linear looks like this, like that, or it could look like this, right? Quadratic means it has a parabolic shape. It's a parabola like this or like this. What about exponential? Exponential either starts down by 0 and grows like this, or it starts up high and it ends close to 0. Now, it is possible to do the same thing on the other end, or like this. So each one of those is a different exponential graph. Okay. It's really easy to tell something is linear. Everything's in a straight line, right? But sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between quadratic and exponential. If I had a set of points that looked like this, what does that appear to be? It looks exponential. It looks like we could draw a graph like this, but it might also be quadratic. We just can't see the whole picture, right? So if I had, what does that appear to be? Exponential. It might be quadratic, but it looks most like an exponential graph. Okay. Oh. That would be linear. One thing about an exponential graph can never hit the x-axis. So exponential can never hit the x-axis. It just can't happen. So if I had this, what is it? It's got to be a quadratic. Right? Exponential cannot hit the x-axis. It always either ends by the x-axis or it starts at the x-axis. So that one is actually a parabola. Okay? So the first, what did I do with my book? So we're going to start 3.7. I want you to do 5 through 14 all. And you're looking at a graph and you're saying, is it linear, exponential, or quadratic? And then 9 through 14, you have to graph the points and then determine linear, exponential, or quadratic. And then tomorrow, we'll figure out exactly how to tell the difference. Because the graphs may or may not be what you think they are, but there is a way to look at the numbers and get exact values and exact answers. So we'll start 3.7, 5 through 14 all.